Have you ever wondered how these kind of animated videos are being created? Now, with Filmora video editing software, creating this kind of videos can now be done in seconds. Filmora video editing software, you can create this kind of videos in just few seconds. Now, let me show you how. And this is one of the animated video I created with Filmora video editing software. Let me show you how I did it. Now, just to get a perfect shot, I had to bring out one of my plates and bring one cucumber and put it right here. Now you guys can see that I have a phone on another tripod while this is recording me. So I had to position this phone and position this camera in such a way that it will get just this plate and this cucumber. So all I need to do is make sure that I put it in portrait and take it back a little bit just to get a perfect shot. Now I think let me take this first shot. Now focus on this cucumber, take the second shot. Okay, so I have to import this image now to my Filmora video editing software. Let's do the magic. Now the next thing I did was to import these 3 images right inside my system. And here are the 3 images. Then the next thing I need to do is just to go to Filmora and click over here and expand this. Now scroll down to image to video effect, all right? That is what I need to double click and open it. Once I open it, you guys can see I have to scroll down. I'm in hot. All I need to do is choose this particular one. Okay, you guys can see. I will click on this and here I can click here to import the image, right? That's the pictures I took. Okay, I think I have to select one of these images. I think the first one is okay. I'll have to choose this and that's it. Okay, click on submit. I've put the image here. All I need to do is click on generate. The only thing is that this is going to eat 200 points. So, but let's check it out. Click on generate and let's see how it goes. Now, if you look up here, you will notice that this has started generating. Okay, so you have to give it some time, and after it's done, and I'll show you guys what the output looks like. So guys, as you guys can see, this has stopped and it's done generating. So all I need to do is just drag it right inside my timeline and okay, so you guys can see. So let's play it and see what it looks like. Wow. You guys can see that it did a different kind of job. It didn't do this with the plate that I had in the picture. It generated it on its own entirely. You guys can see. Wow, and the clip was quite very short. All the same, it did a very good job. So you guys can see how you can generate such kind of videos. Now, make sure you follow for more tips like this.